The 2026 Renault Captur is expected to set new standards in the compact SUV segment with a futuristic design and cutting-edge technology. Renault is likely to introduce a sleeker and more aerodynamic body, featuring a bold front grille with an illuminated Renault logo, sharp LED matrix headlights, and a muscular yet refined silhouette. The floating roof design and dynamic body lines will enhance its sporty appeal, while lightweight aluminium and composite materials could improve both fuel efficiency and handling. Expect a fresh palette of metallic and matte finishes, giving the Captur a premium and modern look. Under the bonnet, Renault is expected to push towards electrification, possibly offering a hybrid and fully electric variant. A next-generation E-Tech hybrid powertrain could provide greater efficiency and lower emissions, while a long-range Renault Captur EV would align with the brand's commitment to sustainability. The integration of advanced regenerative braking, AI-powered driving modes, and intelligent energy management systems would make the 2026 Captur one of the most efficient SUVs in its class. Additionally, an adaptive suspension system may enhance ride comfort across different terrains. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 Captur is set to be more luxurious and tech-driven than ever. A fully digital cockpit, featuring a massive curved infotainment display with AI-powered voice assistance, will redefine connectivity and user experience. Renault could introduce sustainable materials such as vegan leather, recycled textiles, and eco-friendly trims, ensuring a perfect balance between comfort and responsibility. A reconfigurable rear seat layout and a larger panoramic sunroof will enhance the spaciousness and premium feel of the interior. When it comes to safety and driver assistance, Renault will likely equip the 2026 Captur with an advanced version of its Easy Drive system, incorporating Level 2 Plus autonomous driving features. Expect enhancements in collision prevention, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree camera integration. LiDAR and AI-driven predictive safety features may also be introduced, ensuring greater protection for both passengers and pedestrians. Over-the-air (OTA) software updates will keep the Captur technologically up-to-date for years to come. Overall, the 2026 Renault Captur is shaping up to be a game-changer in the compact SUV market. With a revolutionary design, electrified powertrains, cutting-edge interior tech, and next-level safety features, it will cater to urban drivers and adventure seekers alike. Whether for city commuting or long road trips, the next-generation Captur is expected to offer an unmatched blend of efficiency, innovation, and driving pleasure.